Alright everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly tiny but unbelievably important that's tucked away inside nearly every single one of your cells: chromosomes. You might have heard the word before, perhaps in a science class or a news report, but what exactly are these things, and why do they matter so much? Let's unravel this microscopic marvel. Imagine your body's instruction manual, your DNA, right? Well, if DNA is the entire library of information about you, then chromosomes are like the neatly organized, individual books in that library. Each book contains specific chapters and paragraphs of instructions for building and operating your body. So, what do they look like? If you could zoom way into the nucleus, the control center of almost every cell in your body, you'd see that your DNA isn't just floating around randomly. Instead, it's incredibly long and intricately coiled up, wrapped around special proteins like thread around spools. This super compacted, organized structure is what we call a chromosome. When a cell isn't dividing, chromosomes look more like loose, tangled spaghetti, but when a cell gets ready to divide, they condense and become much more visible under a microscope, often looking like little X shapes. Why are they shaped like an X sometimes? That's because before a cell divides, remember mitosis from our last chat, it makes an exact copy of all its DNA. So, that X shape is actually two identical copies of the same chromosome, joined together in the middle, waiting to be pulled apart into two new cells. Now, here's a fascinating fact. Most human cells normally have a very specific number of these books. They have 46 chromosomes, arranged in 23 pairs. You get one set of 23 chromosomes from your biological mother and the other set of 23 from your biological father. That's why you inherit traits from both sides of your family. Each pair carries instructions for similar traits, like eye color or hair type, but the specific versions of those instructions might differ, leading to your unique combination of features. These chromosomes are absolutely critical because they contain all the genes, those tiny segments of DNA, that tell your body how to grow, how to develop, and how to function. Any changes or errors in the number or structure of chromosomes can lead to significant health conditions. So, chromosomes are essentially the highly organized, portable packages of your genetic information, ensuring that every cell gets a complete and accurate set of instructions. They're the fundamental blueprint for who you are, neatly bundled and ready for action in every single cell. Pretty incredible, right?